homemade Oreos a bunch of different ways. You're not gonna wanna miss them. These are soft Oreos that the cookie tastes just like an Oreo, and we're gonna do a bunch of different fillings. First thing we're gonna do is make the cookie. So we're gonna do a half of a cup of unsalted butter, half of a cup of packed brown sugar, and a quarter of a cup of granulated sugar. And you're gonna cream that together until it's nice and fluffy, and then add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a large egg, along with a quarter of a teaspoon of salt and a half of a teaspoon of baking soda. And you're going to use a third of a cup of Hershey's Special Dark unsweetened cocoa powder or Dutch process, and then mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This dough does not need to be chilled. You're going to scoop it in 1 or 2 tablespoon size balls onto your cookie sheet. They do spread, so make sure and spread them out. I like 1 tablespoon best. First up, we're gonna make Oreos. Yep, that's right. We're doing an Oreo filling for these Oreo cookies. The filling for these is kind of like a buttercream with butter and powdered sugar and some marshmallow cream. Mix that together, and then we're adding in some crushed Oreos because this is an Oreo flavored Oreo. Once you have that, you're going to just scoop the filling onto half the cookies, sandwich them, and you have the perfect cookies. Next, some of my favorites, peanut butter Oreo cookies with a peanut butter frosting inside. For the peanut butter Oreos, I'm using peanut butter frosting. This is just my regular peanut butter buttercream with butter, powdered sugar, peanut butter, some vanilla, and then you just fill half the cookies, sandwich them. So deliciously good. Next one, mint Oreos. These are some of my favorites. We're gonna do some mint chip frosting to go inside the Oreo cookies. The mint chip ones are my regular buttercream, but I'm also adding in peppermint extract. That's really important. Use peppermint, it tastes better, along with some green food coloring and mini chocolate chips to make kind of like a mint chip frosting. So this is all just like a basic buttercream recipe, which is really, really easy. And then you're gonna fill your cookies. And last, but certainly not least, Nutella Oreos. Yep, these have Nutella buttercream sandwiched between the Oreo cookies. These are so good. The Nutella frosting is just like the peanut butter frosting. You're adding Nutella instead of peanut butter, and it's nice and fluffy and chocolatey and rich. So good with the Oreos. Wasn't that easy? These cookies are so good with any kind of filling. Leave me a comment, let me know which ones you're gonna make first and which ones I should make next, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.